All right, folks, here comes Amtrak Capital Corner train 732 to Sacramento. Arriving on track number 2 at Fremont Centerville station. 8311. Shout out to Bryson, Mount Palomar on this one. Shout out to Bryson on his favorite cat car, Mount Palomar. Give it up. Mount Palomar. Bryce's favorite cat car. And an F59 PHI 2003. My sophomore year of high school, that's it. Wow. Alright folks, we'll be right back after these commercial break. Rail fed at Fremont Centerville with Amtrak fed 5000. Lucky the Lucky right there. And David Jones. Stay tuned. 732. Highballing out of Fremont Station. The Bryson cat car 8311 Mount Palomar leaves off. And the F59 PHI engine 2003 Marcel sophomore year at high school. Home of the Sacramento Kings, home of the new A's team, Sacramento A's. I'm Marcel Hall. Have a good one. Say bye-bye to that train. Bye-bye.